Hey there, this is Mike Menahan with the Menahan Group at Keller Williams Premier Atlanta, and this is our market update for October 2010 for the Atlanta metro market. We got hot off the presses our third quarter statistics. Just got these in my hands a couple of days ago. I'm just going to share a couple of slides and trends with you today, and I'm going to break this up into bite-sized chunks for you throughout the next 4 to 6 weeks and share some more of the trends that we're seeing. Generally speaking, though, I just want to give you a broad overview of what we're seeing in the third quarter of this year in our housing market. This first slide that you're looking at represents our main indicator as real estate professionals, which is the month supply of inventory, also referred to as the absorption rate. Essentially, all this number means is the month supply of inventory calculates if nothing else went on the market starting today, how long would it take to sell everything that is currently listed for sale given today's current demand. So that number tells us whether we're in a buyer's market or a seller's market. A buyer's market is going to be above this green line, which is more than 6 months of inventory. A seller's market is going to be below the green line, less than 6 months of inventory. We're usually right around this 5 to 6 month in Atlanta in a normal market, whatever that means. But currently, we're obviously in a buyer's market. Really, no big surprise. Interesting thing here, though, is these red bars indicate everything that is active or currently for sale on the market for that month. These little blue guys down here are the ones that actually sold. So these guys all thought they were sellers, and but these were the only ones that actually got the deal to the closing table. So it gives us a good idea, and this number and this graph hasn't changed an awful lot over the last couple of years. So when we look at 2009, 2008, and probably half of 2009, 2010, and probably half of 2008, we actually see a rather stable market right now. It's not stable in the way that we'd like it to be, like back in 05 or 2006 when prices were all going up and things were great and you couldn't go wrong buying real estate. But what we're really seeing right now is things are stable. Things are the market is what it is. There are buyers out there. They are buying houses. There are some great reasons to buy houses, which we'll talk about in some other episodes here. But generally speaking, when sellers are very serious about competitively pricing their homes, these blue guys down here, they are getting the homes sold. Unfortunately, there's a lot of sellers that are not competitively pricing, either A, because they can't afford to sell their home, or B, because it's just not worth it to them to take a loss or to come to the table with money in order to get the home sold, which is fine. Everybody has their reasons for selling. But if you are a seller, you really need to be willing to compete on a very high level and make sure that you have the best product at the best price. If we break this out, and this will be my last slide for today because we're already getting into close to 4 minutes here. If we break out our month supply into different price points, we can see that in that under $200,000 market, we're actually pretty close to a balanced market. And in the third quarter of this year, this number increased just a little bit. That tax incentive went away, and things have kind of become a little bit more sluggish. But the under 200,000 market, believe it or not, represents 60% of the homes sold in the third quarter. So there is a very large number of homes that are being sold in comparison to the rest of the market in this under 200,000 price point. If we go all the way down to the $1 million plus price point, we can see that there's 27.5 months of inventory. So again, if we're talking about months of inventory and what that means, if nothing else in this $1 million price point went on the market starting today, how long would it take given our current demand for all of these homes to sell? We're looking at over 2 years. As a market whole, Atlanta Metro is at 10.5 months. So we really want to see this number get down to that 6 to 7 month mark before we're really going to see prices start to go back up and kind of level off. So that's kind of where we're at right now. I'm going a little long here, so I'm going to cut this one off, but please let us know if there's anything we can do for you. You're on our website now, so if you need to contact us, go up to that contact button. Give us a call. We're at 404-326-4010 if we can help you or anybody that you know buy, sell, or invest in real estate. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much for watching.